Hi, this is Sean with an Autel Tech Tip. Recent changes to Gmail have caused some users to lose access to email on their MaxiSYS tablet. Let's show you how to reset up your email access. First, you need to log into your Gmail on a PC or laptop, not the mobile site. After entering your password, choose the blue circle on the upper right. Then, manage your Gmail account. Next, choose the Security tab on the left. Then in the center of the page, ensure two-step verification is on. Then select App Passwords. Enter your password. Choose Text. And then look for the verification code which you'll need to enter. Next, choose Select App. Then Mail, select Device, then Other Custom Name. In the Custom Name field, enter Android. Then Generate. The system will generate a password which you need to note down before we move over to the tablet. Next, on your tablet, go to the email icon. Enter your Gmail address. Then choose Manual Setup. Pick Personal IMAP. Now, do not use your normal password. This one time, you will enter the password you just generated with Gmail in this spot. Next, verify your incoming settings and make sure they match what's on the screen. Afterwards, review your outgoing settings. From the drop-down, be sure to select Accept All Certificates. After your settings are validated by the tablet, hit Next and Next again, and you will see your email inbox appear. If you need further one-on-one help, you can always reach out to our U.S. tech support at 1-855-AUTEL-US.